This one is a question that I get asked almost every day. What's the difference between a salesperson and a sales closer? And in this video, I'm gonna answer it for you. I want you to imagine this. A salesperson and a sales closer are brothers. The older one is the closer, and the younger one is the salesperson. The older brother is smooth, calm, collected, dresses professionally, and says the right things at the right time with finesse. And everyone, like literally everyone, wants to have him around because their status will automatically elevate. The younger brother is a salesperson. He's outgoing, he doesn't have a lot of charisma, and he likes to talk more than listen. And that's why people sometimes say, you know what? It's pretty annoying. Salespeople can sell, but here's the problem. Just because you can sell the features and benefits, that doesn't mean that you can close. And as far as I know, money is not made in the sell, but it's made in the close. That's the specialty of a sales closer. They know exactly how to handle objections and have hard conversations, which is something that normal salespeople, they try to avoid because they want to always agree with people. They think that that's how you actually close a deal. But keep in mind, they're both brothers, so it's the same family. And the parents, they love them both the same, but you know who they prefer more.